Australia, a continent so massive it stretches wider than the distance between London and Moscow. But here's the strange part. Almost nobody lives in it. 90% of Australians live along the edges on just 10% of the land. The rest of the continent, practically untouched. The heart of Australia is called the Outback, and it covers more than 5 million square kilometers. That's larger than India, the entire country, yet home to fewer people than a small European town. Why? Because this region experiences some of the harshest environments on Earth. Daytime temperatures can reach 50 degrees. Rainfall is unpredictable. Water sources can disappear for months. To live here isn't just difficult, it's dangerous. The landscape is unforgiving. The heat can kill you faster than hunger. Australia sits within the global desert belt, a ring around Earth where dry air descends, clouds rarely form, and rain is a luxury. Because of this, almost 70% of the continent is classified as arid or semi-arid, meaning desert or close to it. In other words, the land simply does not want people. When the first European settlers arrived in the 1700s, they tried to move inland. They didn't make it far. Over time, Australia became what it is today. 90% of people live within 100 kilometers of the coast. Sydney alone holds more people than the entire outback. Some coastal suburbs have higher density than the city of London. So basically, the desert pushed people away. The ocean pulled them in. But now the coastline is running out of space. Housing prices are soaring. Cities are becoming overcrowded. Yet the interior remains untouched, an entire continent waiting to be populated. So the question remains, will Australia ever move inland? Experts say it is not likely. Unless they invent cheap desalination and climate control, the outback will remain largely uninhabited. Australia is a country defined by contrasts, crowded cities on the edge and silence in the center. It's not that people never wanted to live in the outback, it's that nature decided otherwise. It is the only continent where the edges are alive and bustling with people, and the center remains completely untouched.